Hi everyone, Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. So today I want to talk about a step that everybody should be taking if they think that there's a strong possibility that USCIS is going to deny their petition, or if they already got a denial. And that step is you should make a Freedom of Information request, FOIA request to USCIS for your A file. That's A as in Apple. The A file is supposed to be a file that USCIS maintains that has all the documents that they use when they consider your case. And the reason why it's so important to have that file and to try to get it sooner rather than later is that if it turns out you are going to sue USCIS to try to reverse the denial, then in most cases, the law that you're going to be suing under is the Administrative Procedures Act, the APA. And under the APA, a judge decides the case on what's called the administrative record. That means that what has already been submitted to USCIS and the materials that USCIS used to make a decision on your case is all of the evidence the judge can consider when deciding your case, your litigation. You can't submit new evidence, and neither can the government. So it's very important to have an understanding of, as much as possible, is everything that you submitted to the government and everything the government used in making the decision. So this is going to be a big help in both strategizing whether you should file a lawsuit or not, and if you do file the lawsuit, making sure that you have the strongest complaint possible. So getting your A file is pretty straightforward. I'm including a link in the description here that USCIS has that you could follow to make an A file request. The only other thing I would caution is that you should keep good records of everything related to this A file request. And the reason is that sometimes there's compliance issues with USCIS. Sometimes they don't respond. Sometimes they're late in responding. They leave stuff out. Whatever the case may be, if that becomes an issue, it's going to be helpful if you have good records ahead of time to deal with that. So that's my tip for today. I hope everyone enjoyed this and it's useful. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.